Alright, so my dear friends and family, hopefully things are fine and having really good time. So I'm having really good time in natural environment. As you can see, today's weather is so cloudy. It doesn't matter, it is not big deal. The deal is how can I improve my English speaking skill? So you always think about it. Don't think about others. Just think about yourself, dear brothers and sisters. So today in this video I would love to share with you why listening is so important. We all know very well for learning English we need to grammar, we need to structure, we need to tense and grammar other parts. We need to many things to learn English. But it was your wrong concept. You can learn English by yourself. You can learn English practically, dear brothers and sisters. And this is the thing I will try to understand you in this video. So let's get started. As you can see right now, I'm standing on the top, as well as I'm trying to make a video for my well-wisher. Those who want to upgrade their English speaking skill, those who try to their level best, and how can you improve your English? So let's get started. Without boring grammar, without boring textbook, how can you learn English? Dear brothers and sisters, you can learn English by making video. You can learn English by listening. So today's video I want to make on this topic why listening is so important and why video making is so important. Two things can change your life. Already I have done these things. That's why I try to share my real life experience. So I hope you will be benefited to watch my video. So please listen carefully, my dear brothers and sisters. I didn't join any coaching center. I have learned English by myself. I never ever depend on other. I just depend on myself. And I believe I can do everything. I noticed one thing very clearly. A little child can speak English, so why I can't? What is my wrong? My wrong is I do not practice English. You do not practice English. That's why you can't speak English like your little baby. Like a real native speaker, like a real English speaker. So you have to practice. Without practice, nothing is possible. Nothing will be possible, dear brothers and sisters. You always think about it. Always try to think in English. And why listening is so important, I want to discuss about these things. So let's get started. First of all, listening is so powerful things in your English speaking journey. So if you don't want to listen, your English never will be improved. That's why you have to listen always. Whenever I get time, I try to listen English lecture. Actually, it's up to you. What kind of lectures do you want to see? Do you want to watch? It's up to you. That's why I try to understand you. Listening is so important things. Listening can feed your brain to deliver his lecture, to make a real sentence. And you can, when you listen more and more time, the same lecture, you will get so much information from the video. So that's why I try to understand you, dear brothers and sisters. You can learn English by listening. You can learn English by video making. Why video making is so important. So let's learn about these things. So you know very well, I didn't join any coaching center. So dear brothers and sisters, I have learned English by myself, by video making, by listening. Sometimes you will face obstacles. Sometimes you will fall in disappointed. Never give up. Believe in yourself. You can do everything. I can do everything. I never look back. I just focus on my goal. Dear brothers and sisters, you can learn English by video making. Video making is so important. Firstly, you can feel so shy, so nervous. But I believe if you can continue the process only 30 days, after 30 days you will see your improvement will be great. Without any doubt, I will grant you, you will be so motivated. You will be so powerful. That means your confidence will be boosted. And this is the thing I try to understand you, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope you got my point. So like this way you can practice your English. Don't give any excuse. Just believe in yourself, and I believe you can do everything. And don't focus on nonsense people. Sometimes you can get some bad comment from your friend circle, from your nonsense society. So never give up. Just depend on yourself. Still now, some people criticize me, but I don't care about it. It's their job. It's not my job. My job is how can I improve my English speaking skill. So I've always focus on my goal. So you have to focus on your goal, and this is the thing I try to understand you. So if you got my point, please like my video and share on your Facebook. And if you watch my video from YouTube, please let me know, and please consider to subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. All the best.